Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to use the TelecomsXChange plugin to connect your WordPress site to over 300 VoIP providers and carriers on TelecomsXChange. So first thing you want to do is install the TelecomsXChange plugin to your WordPress site and activate it. Once you activate it, you're going to see a new option under settings which says TelecomsXChange. You're going to click on that, and what you're going to have to fill in, assuming that you already have a TelecomsXChange buyer account. So here we have the buyer account available. It's going to ask you for your login, which is demo, and it's going to ask you for the API key, which you can also get from here. You can just simply copy it, paste it. And it's going to ask for the account ID, which is assuming your WordPress website account. So in this case, it's this one I have here, and the ID for that is 1055. So that's basically telling WordPress telling TelecomsXChange which account you want to initiate the phone call from. So I want to initiate from this account because I have balance in it. So this could be your WordPress blog or websites. So it could be something like this. All right, so you take that ID and we're gonna put it here. Then it's asking you for the phone number of your call center or your company where you would like to receive calls from the WordPress website on. So in this case, this number is our call center or our help desk number. So anyone tries to contact us through the web button, it's gonna basically first call the call center and then connect to the client once the call center agent picks up. And over here, it's asking which carrier ID you want to use. So each VoIP provider on TelecomsXChange has a unique ID that you can simply place here to initiate the calls to. So what I want is the first call leg, which is calling our call center, to use carrier ID 776, which is toll-free dollars. And the reason we choose that because we have zero cost on US toll-free numbers from this carrier. And then the second carrier ID is 220, which is data communications. So when the call center picks up the phone, it's going to automatically ring the client, and we're going to use this carrier ID, which is data, to connect the second leg of the call. And the confirmation message that the customer will see after they click the button is "we will call you shortly," and powered by text, which both can be changed to whatever you want. Time to wait is basically a setting to avoid someone from abusing the button and giving a limitation on how many calls per minute or per hour can a single user initiate. And once the user reaches the limit of trying to use the button, they will get this error right here. So the button style, it could say anything you want: talk to sales, talk to support, or get consultancy, etc. So we're gonna put talk to sales now. We're gonna brand it to that, and you can of course have your own button styling. Just put your CSS button code and it will just rebrand to whatever button style you want that fits your blog theme or whatever. And once you save, you can then initiate a phone call to test, to make sure that everything is working fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to call this number and see if we see a hit on TelecomsXChange. So I'm going to go here, go to live calls, and there you go. There you go. As you can see, it's sending the call properly and it's going to Tata Communications without any issues. So Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to one of our blog posts and place that button inside inside one of our blog posts. So let's say that let's view this post real quick. After the customer or the visitor reads this, sorry about that, 1 second. So after the website visitor reaches, let's say, this point on the sign up here link, what I want to do is I want to place a talk to sales or talk to support button right here where the user can click on it, put their phone number, and connect to us immediately. So to do that, what I'm going to do is simply edit the post. Go below that link and just add the short code for the TelecomsXChange button. So to add TelecomsXChange button to any blog post or page, all you have to do is just put the short code of tcxc-button and then save that. So once you save, let's visit the post and we should see the button right here. And as you can see, once you click that, it will ask you for the phone number. So I'm gonna put the number here. So the user will click now, talk to sales, and he will see that text saying that we'll call you shortly. And if you go to the live page and refresh, you'll see that the first leg was connected to the call center and the second leg is trying to call the customer. So that's it. That's pretty much it. You can place this button in anywhere you want on your WordPress site by just simply pasting that short code, and your customers can reach out to you immediately through this button.